Manipur government representatives and UNC leaders leave Imphal for tripartite talk to be held tomorrow in New Delhi. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee likely to announce the names of candidates tomorrow. Three women injured in poll-related violence in Wangkem constituency. Police keep vigil to prevent untoward incidents. And Election Commission seized over Rs 105 crore and liquor, drugs, gold and silver worth several crores of rupees from 5 poll-bound states. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangton with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Two representatives of the state government and UNC President Gaidon Kamai and Information Secretary Shankel Stephen left Imphal today to take part in a tripartite talk scheduled for tomorrow in New Delhi. Before departure, Shankel Stephen told media persons that a talk will decide whether the blockade will be lifted or not. Replying to a media query, Stephen said UNC's demands have already been presented on the table of the government. He also said UNC is against the creation of 7 new districts and that the government should repeal the same. Revenue Commissioner K. Radhakumar and Additional Secretary Home Dr. Suresh Babu will represent the Manipur government. Speaking to media persons at the Imphal International Airport, Suresh Babu said how to find a solution to the problem will be discussed at the tripartite talk. It may be mentioned that a team of 7 members of the UNC, led by its General Secretary S. Milan, had already reached Delhi last night to take part in the tripartite talk.
Everything is depend on the outcomes of the talk. Depends on the outcomes of the talk. We have already given the information to the ministry and the government of Manipur. Based on that, we'll take up the issue. Yeah, we are demanding rollback of the new district.
That is our main agenda. That people suffering is the key point. So how to find a solution to this has to be settled because 3 of us are sitting together. So at least if not a permanent solution, if I could get some temporary solution, that will be helpful to the people. And that too we are nearing election. So some temporary solution is required. The entire exercise of meeting them is to find a solution. If not permanent, at least temporary solution.
This Indian judicial system is up and doing. Apex court of the country has already said that blockade in any form is illegal. Why should we continue this illegal thing? We have to respect the judiciary system, the court. If law is not respected, then what is the use of having a country? Actions, legal actions will come if the court's orders are not complied with.
Goodwill Mission for Peace and Coexistence Manipur has expressed happiness that a tripartite talk to end the indefinite economic blockade is taking place in New Delhi tomorrow. Convener of Goodwill Mission for Peace and Coexistence Manipur, Ningthauja Lancha, today told the media persons at Adimchati Shiksha Ashram, Chingmairong. Ningthauja Lancha said the Goodwill Mission Manipur met representatives of the UNC, center and state government and its efforts to ensure that a tripartite talk is held to end the indefinite economic blockade on the national highways. It may be mentioned that representatives of the Government of India, Government of Manipur and United Naga Council will hold a tripartite talk to find a solution to the ongoing economic blockade at North Block in New Delhi tomorrow. UNC President Gaidon Kamai, Information Secretary Shankel Stephen and representatives of state government, Additional Secretary Home Dr. Suresh Babu and Revenue Commissioner K. Radhakumar left Imphal today.
Laiba pot ase politically nataga warushin nama pot pa haipse lengak lon gi oiba mathoni masida miyamna akoi miyamna amatu oina pullakanda masi sumana solve to biona haigadabani haijabani aduna masida phurup ki khenaba thamdana ethnicity ki khenaba thamdana amagi apamba se tapna accommodate to birakanda warushin se soidana lakani Manipur as a whole combined to peaceful coexistence as well as laiba issue se combined to resolve to minagadage haibadu yamna sensitive oiba issue nina akoigi sentiment aspiration mayam community kudimaki aspiration sentiment aduga right mayam se khangbi da kanda tapna masi changjalakani haibi thajabatu ne akuna thamjaribasi.
Iramdam kanba apunbalub ikal in a memorandum drew the attention of the government to the tripartite talk. In a press release, ICAL said it has urged the government to make its stance clear on the issues of the creation of 7 new districts, territorial integrity and administrative system of Manipur. The Congress party is likely to announce the list of its candidates tomorrow. Sources said Chief Minister Okrami Bobi and MPCC President T.N. Haukip today met Congress President Sonia Gandhi for more than an hour to discuss the names of the candidates. The sources also said names are likely to be announced after the ticket committee board meets in Delhi tomorrow. It may be mentioned that 94 persons from 60 constituencies have applied for the Congress tickets. Only one applicant applied for the ticket is in 41 assembly constituencies and they are sure to get the ticket. 2 to 7 persons applied for the ticket in the remaining constituencies, Kairao being the constituency with maximum number of 7 applicants. At least 3 women were injured in pole-related violence in Kiam Sifai under Thawal police station. Scuffles broke out between workers of 2 candidates at Kiam Sifai in connection with the upcoming 11th assembly election. The incident occurred when supporters of Wainaba while he was trying to hoist a Congress flag. Workers of Wainaba Chandra obstructed the worker of MLAK Megha Chandra, saying that meetings and flag hoisting ceremony of other candidate cannot be held in a locality from where a candidate is in the fray. Thawal District Police fired tear gas shells to control the situation. 3 women sustained injury in the scuffle. 2 were taken to Thawal Hospital, while a third one was referred to RIMS as her condition was critical. Additional police force has been deployed in the area to maintain a vigil to prevent untoward incident. The Election Commission has launched a new scheme of Election Commission return prepared to assist candidates and parties in online filling election expenditure-related statements. In a press release, CEO Manipur said the ECPRs will be trained by the Commission in all the states. DEO Imphal West today organized a training discussion sessions for all returning officers and assistant returning officers of Imphal West District to create awareness on nomination and its related complications in connection with the assembly election at Kombire Hall, DC Office Complex. A training program to create awareness about the model code of conduct in connection with the upcoming assembly election for Imphal East District Police kicked off today at the office of SB Imphal East at Porumpad. The training program will focus on the security measures to be taken by police before and on the day of election to prevent untoward incidents. Zonal and mobile officers are attending the program on the first day today. Flying Squad surveillance team will be given training on the second day and constabulary team and striking reserved on the third day. Republican Party of India A will field at least 30 candidates in the valley and hills in the upcoming assembly polls. An office of the Manipur unit of the party was opened today at Sangakpham. National Secretary of the party, Mohanlal Patel, is hopeful that the party will be part of the next government in the state. He said the party will work for the welfare of the marginalized and minority. Mohanlal Patel, however, ruled out pre-poll alliance with any party and said the party will decide after the election results. For aspiring candidates of Lamshang, Hyanglam, Saikul and Lilong were also present at the press meet.
इस चुनाव में हम लोग 30 सीटें हम लोग लड़ने वाले हैं और हमारे 30 कैंडिडेट कंसिस्ट करेंगे। उम्मीद रखते हैं कि यहाँ जो सरकार बनेगी, गवर्नमेंट या फॉर्म होंगी, बगैर रिपब्लिकन पार्टी के विधायक से बिना वो बनेगी नहीं। हमारे 5 एमएलए को जिताने का संकल्प लिया है और ये छोटे विधानसभा क्षेत्र होने से हमें उम्मीद है कि जो भी सरकार बनेगी, हमारे जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं ये सबको सत्ता में भागीदारी मिलेगी। ऐसी उम्मीद है चुनाव के बाद में, लेकिन चुनाव के पहले हमारे पार्टी का किसी भी पार्टी से गठबंधन नहीं होगा।
A team of Bishnupur police and excise seized more than 1,400 litres of country liquor during drives in different areas of Bishnupur district in connection with the upcoming election. The seized liquor was destroyed at the excise station today. Election Commission has seized over 105 crore rupees cash from the 5 poll-bound states of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Goa, Manipur and Uttarakhand. An official release said the Commission has seized over 92 crore rupees from Uttar Pradesh, 1 crore 81 lakh from Punjab, 1 crore 63 lakh from Uttarakhand and around 8 lakh rupees from Manipur. Election Commission has seized more than 18 lakh litres of liquor from these poll-bound states worth over 34 crore rupees. The Commission has also seized more than 5,000 kilograms of drugs and narcotics worth around 24 crore rupees. It has also seized over 234 kilograms of gold and 450 kilograms of silver worth around 49 crore rupees. 14-year-old Moirangthem Sadananda has been awarded National Bravery Award for saving his mother from being electrocuted. Prime Minister Narendra Modi presented him the award at a function held at his residence in New Delhi on January 23rd. Sadananda, son of Moirangthem Radhamani from Moirangthem Laikai of Moirang, was among the 25 children selected for the National Bravery Award. He was among 6 children nominated by Manipur State Council for Child Welfare of Moirangkom Bazaar. Information Center for Hill Areas Manipur Icham has alleged that officer on special duty of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution issued permits to some persons when the people are spending nights at oil pumps to get fuel. It also accused the department of issuing permits to certain individuals when the consumers are suffering due to the UNC's indefinite economic blockade. Icham President Nongthongbam Rajendra today told the media at Icham office at Minuthong that Icham met an inquiry into the shortage of fuel at oil pumps and found that most oil pumps did not distribute fuel to the people, citing shortage of stock. It also said that during the drive, Icham saw several political parties, organizations and individuals with permits issued by OSD, CAF and PD department were purchasing fuel. During a 3-day-old drive, Icham found that IOC allocated 745 kiloliter diesel and 852 kiloliter of petrol for public distribution. However, 345 kiloliter diesel and 75 kiloliter petrol were either reserved or issued permits. He said due to this, people are not getting fuel. He urged the government to understand the difficulties facing the people and stop issue of permits.
FCS ki director na magi OST na sila ita mana toning ba kusira sida permit pa pira Light of processing, the normal sugar starts about October, rice bin panjab, my aunt can be the Marga Sanga labor, Sangamana Bakara, officer Kurd Siman eager to say, Mazik Kudak to Lepiu, Matum Taba is some Nakarima Pamda, Simana Lakumatam, the high report is Tianga Targadi, Majda Soy Torgo, obsessing Matata, a quite Lautoxa Kanda, Manipumian, young Navan, and Lautoxa neighbor. Hoitangai Patan, Hopstangi, Puliski, Pialgeki, Anayaki, Pyramid. Pang pyramid de koi madu maram chai na koi log ne ba pam chi da permit mo papi de pisal ko sin belen putok ki bisina koi ki pam ma pu sing da miyam ma koi ti chauna karwa tore hai ba ki pora ma khang le kan da mai cha ko ba do yaw na ga da pam khra yaw me ko aduna masima yar ga di masi topi yu government ki pam lei permit pi ga da pam ama ni ka khandok pi yu pam khuding ma ꯄꯨꯂꯞꯇ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ allocation ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ reserve ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯃꯗꯤ ꯇꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯣ.
It's time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned.
Touch the pinnacles of success for your children. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in Education.
Yumanungi application ki mapung fava solution pir ba Durasign G6 seasonabio. Durasign asi Tata Blue Scope Steel Limited ki flagship retail brand ni. Durasign liner ki khudong chaba sing di Yumanungi amasung mapan ki application ki khwaidagi yang ba phanglang kupna ba. Yan thaba siling amasung phaklang khaidok na bagi irai live solution pi. Panel sing ado phai ba amadi chap yung ba mai kai install to ba yai. Durasign Tata Blue Scope Steel.
I-League 2nd Division 2017 is here. Nelka FC versus 5-Star Southern Samiti Kolkata on 4th February at 1:30 p.m. at Kumalampak Men's Stadium. Entry free for all. Don't miss it.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Spokesperson of JEC formed against a rape of a class 12 student. Ibim Sana alleged that a girl was raped by Javed Ali, 20 years, son of Mohammed Waris from Yairipok, Ningthaunai, presently staying near Hatta Oil Palm. She said Javed Ali came and the victim came to know each other over phone, and she was allegedly raped by Javed around 11:30 a.m. on January 31st at the rented house of Javed's friend Mubarak. The girl was left alone by the alleged rapist, and later she was taken to her house by Samina Bibi, the owner of the rented house, and 2 other women. A complaint was lodged at Porompat police station around 9 p.m. the same day, and the father of the accused was arrested. Police arrested the accused on February 1st. The JAC urged the authority to punish the culprit to prevent such crimes against women in future.
Lekha tahan biba sumbaje nupa oibasing na khoibu kari soina khanbidaba praja mayam isini naw mayam da kandim tawjari hairiba inaw sigi mangkhriba ijasing sigi karigumba matang tanjaroi magi mangkhiba ijase hanjan basungam roidabanina mayam na kari tawbiba ngambage habado adu akhoi mateng nijabani mangda nupi anirak ahumlak thirame haina pautajai huji ju lohongadaba nupi ma lei hai magi hek exam si loraga lohongba numi lemnaraga hongdoine hana adu matung tabada inaw nupise amuk chenbiraga huntokpiramane.
Scuffle occurred at Khetrigao when Easy Mohammed Ajmer, the prime suspect in the death of Naushad, along with police tried to arrest the members of JAC formed against the death of Naushad. The incident occurred when Easy and a team of police tried to arrest 13 members of the JAC who came back after meeting the local MLA. After the locals came to know about the incident, they blocked the road at Khergao Yumkaibam Laikai by placing electric poles. It may be mentioned that Naushad was found dead at a paddy field at Lilong police station in April 2015.
Izina angang mayam para karigi jesigi kangbong phoisingji karigumba satpa thokpa khuding makta chune jamna mane attack tawre laifam chafang phangde angang singi tumpham mi phangde numidang atheng badalai kaikhu dalai ma mi maga police khargo loinaraga angang nu bi chatpa khotpa ta tanare
hojik tawnari ba crime khuding makse mara leitaba Parja Singhi Matakta Mahaknami Hibagum Tauriba Kuding Maxi, Izina Tauriba Kongtangsi, Buluski Maike Dexukayam Chumabage, Natraga Mahakna Lokaleba, Kongtangsi Karino, Hibama, Kupne, and Bamasangi, Mana Takta Tauribasi, a top Amatam Dando.
TDC expressed gratitude over government's initiative to raise the hiring charge of vehicles before the assembly election. However, the council might resolve to cease work if the government does not clear the dues of the vehicles which were used in the ADC election in Ukrul and Tamenglong districts. Speaking to media persons, Council President Hisham Ranjit appealed to the Finance Department to issue an order regarding increase in hiring charges by the 5th of this month. He said the TDC along with the government have been providing diesel to passenger service vehicles in 3 oil depots in Imphal East, Imphal West and Taupal district, while fuel has been distributed to auto rickshaw, Tata Magic and water tankers in Kakching district.
अखोन हाइजनिंग गवर्नमेंट थाव लाई लाते से मखा ताना तौबीदना थाव लाई लाते गाड़ी लाई लेते से तौबीदना हारिब गाड़ी सिंगी एलोकेशन थोप मतमदा मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट थोइब एलोकेशन से मसी सब चाना आईओसी नसु इनबियू मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट प्लान तौरक तौरक पम्पसिंग थाव थाबीरकांदा अखोगी पैसेंजर सर्विस तौजब मतमदा मपुंग फाना सर्विस तौब ngamjanabagidamta अखोना अमुक हनसु आईओसी की माइकैदा आईओसी दा अखोय अपील तौजरी अदगा गवर्नमेंट थाव लाइबा लेतबा सुटी ओइदबा थीबीदना पब्लिक सर्विस की जेनरल पब्लिक की कनोदा इंटरेस्टा मसी थाव पीबीयू.
Locals trash an alleged thief after he was caught red-handed while stealing from the house of Kurajam Ibo Hanbi at Kurai Thaudam Laikai this morning around 4:30. He was first admitted at Jennings and later shifted to RIMS, and it is yet to be identified. A case has been registered at Porompat police station. Thangmaiban Youth Centre celebrated its Silver Jubilee at Thangmaiban Hijim Dewan Laikai today. Speaking on the occasion as chief guest, a former senior SP of Nagaland, Potsangbam Sonamani blamed the state government for not starting the construction work for Manipur Bhawand in Shillong, sanctioned by the North-Eastern Council. He questioned the government for not initiating work for projects sanctioned by the Ministry of Development of North-Eastern region long ago. He also said the leaders of the state should act with accountability. Other speakers at the event emphasized the need for clubs and civil organizations to own up responsibilities. He also maintained that there will be development in the society only when the clubs and CSOs work with clear aims and objectives. He said the clubs should take full advantage of the development projects of the government.
North-East Council की चिट्ठी था जब गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ना मणिपुर सरकार दा जुम्द साबिर रो मणिपुर के लेबात लम्द साबिर रो अदोम की लेबन नुआइना बा अदोम इचाई से शिलोंग दा लापदा लाइक लेसे तम्बन नुआइना बा एयरफोर्स संग दा लेनन बा ITBP SSB CRP मकन मकन हेडक्वार्टर शिलोंग दा लेबनी ना अखोने जुम साबिर हाइबनी ngasi jo wauda chehi amaga than shugibase laibak phadna manipur sarkar dagi karim tambadi pakum amrine.
Hyanglam Kendra Election Committee in a press release said a flag hosting of BJP candidate in Hyanglam constituency, Dr. Radhe Shyam, was held today. Manipur Drivers Welfare Association in a press release condemned the firing tear gas at protesting drivers of stranded vehicles on Imphal-Ziribam Road due to the economic blockade. The association also appealed to the authority concerned to escort the stranded vehicles back safely to Imphal. A campaign to save wetlands on theme Wetlands for Disaster Risks Reduction kicked off in connection with World Wetlands Day celebration. Dustbins and pamphlets given awareness to save the Loktak Lake were distributed to the settlers in Pumdi as a part of the campaign organized by Unique Wildlife Protection Committee Sekmaichen. The campaign was also held at Moral Guidance English School, Komla Khong, attended by about 200 students and people of the area. All Loktak Lake Fishermen Union observed World Wetland Day on the theme Wetland for Our Future at Langul Sabi and Bishnupur district. The union expressed apprehension over the increase in pollution in the lake and appealed to all to work together to save the lake. Director IPR Megachandra Kongbam inaugurated floating elementary school as a part of the observance. Zila Eastern Bloc in a press release condemned abduction and killing of 2 innocent laborers who were engaged in the construction of Maphau Dam. Zila Eastern Bloc further appealed to the people not to give communal color to the January 26 incident. Manipur Youth's cultural organization's play Laigi Natti Migi Damagni was successfully presented at Loyalam Public School, Moirang Kunau in Bishnupur district on January 31st. The play, based on changing ecosystem, was produced under the sponsorship of Ministry of Culture. Theatre activist K3 Jugindro said the government of India has realized the importance of theatre in education and has used this medium to create awareness about the problem of ecosystem in schools and colleges. Now the sports news. MPSC B ex Polo Club B Wankai and Ibudho Tangching Polo Club A Thobal have entered the quarterfinals of the 32nd and Hazarian Dr. and Tombi State Polo Tournament. MPSC B trashed Eastern Sporting Club B Nomaibun 10-2 to reach the quarters. Ex Polo Club B Wankai trounced K and MM Riding School Sanctumai Team A 8-1, while Ibudho Tangching Polo Club A Thaubal trashed Thamaiban Youth Polo Club A 7-2 at Imphal Polo Ground. Hockey Union Lairik Yingbam Laikai and SUYC Uchikon Kunau won their respective match at the Senior Man Manipur Hockey League. In the matches played today, Hockey Union Lairik Yingbam Laikai trashed Kongman Students Club 7-3. M. Sanjoy Mani scored 3 goals, H. Amarjit 2, while K.H. Rinel and A. Suresh scored 1 goal each for the winners. In another match, SUYC Uchikon Kunau beat Maira Bashikong 5-3. 7 teams are competing in a tournament organized by Manipur Hockey at Kuman Lampak Hockey Stadium. SDC Samuro entered the quarterfinals of the 24th state-level sub-junior under-17 boys football tournament organized by Thangwaiban Athletics Union. In the last league match played today, SDC Samuro beat GDC Tinungai 5-3 to book a berth in the quarters. And Kishin netted 2 goals, while P. James and Runando and Y. Santosh netted 1 goal each for the winners. Mangal FC Kabam will meet UUFC Uripok in the first quarter-final match of the under-14 mini boys football tournament tomorrow. In a match of the T20 Veteran Cricket Tournament, Chajing Cricket Club Lelong Chajing beat Cookie Sporting Club Lambulan by 27 runs. Winning the toss, Chajing Cricket Club Lelong Chajing elected to bat first and met 124 for 6 in 20 overs. In reply, Cookie Sporting Club Lambulan made 97 runs only in 19.2 overs, losing the match by 27 runs. Chajing Cricket Club Lelong Chajing's batsman Krishna Kumar was declared the man of the match for his 63 not in just 43 balls. YWC Langtabal will play Model Club Timbi Chingamaka in the 5th leg tomorrow. Olympic and Paralympic medals for the Tokyo 2020 Games will be made by recycled mobile phones. The Japanese public will be asked to donate old phones and small appliances to gather 2 tons of gold, silver and bronze for the 5,000 medals. The project hopes to promote sustainability and reduce cost. Member of Japan's Olympic Organizing Committee gave the idea to the government officials and companies. Olympic host cities have traditionally obtained a metal from mining firms, but Japan, which lacks its own mineral resources, is keen to take the theme of the sustainable further a step. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur government representatives and UNC leaders leave Imphal for tripartite talk to be held tomorrow in New Delhi. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee likely to announce the names of candidates tomorrow. 3 women injured in poll-related violence in Wangkhem constituency. Police keep vigil to prevent untoward incidents. An election commission seized over rupees 105 crore and liquor, drugs, gold, silver worth 7 crores rupees from 5 food bounty.